Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that quietly does a lot of things right. At first glance, it may seem like just another crossover, but once you dig into the details, you'll realize why this vehicle has become such a strong option in its segment. For 2026, Toyota has refined the Corolla Cross with subtle yet effective updates. The front design looks more modern now, with different grille styles depending on whether you choose the gasoline or hybrid version. The hybrid models lean toward a cleaner, more aerodynamic look, while the gas models have a slightly tougher, more traditional SUV appearance. New wheel designs and fresh exterior colors help the Corolla Cross feel more premium and contemporary than before. Inside the cabin, Toyota has focused on comfort, technology, and practicality. The dashboard layout feels clean and intuitive, with an updated center console that offers more storage space for everyday items. Depending on the trim, you can get a large touchscreen display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected without messy cables. Higher trims also feature a fully digital instrument cluster, giving the driver clear and customizable information right in front of them. When it comes to space, the Corolla Cross punches above its weight. It comfortably seats 5 passengers, and the rear seats fold down to create a generous cargo area. Whether you're doing groceries, carrying luggage, or packing for a weekend trip, this SUV adapts easily. On upper trims, you'll also find features like heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium seat materials that add a touch of luxury without going overboard. Under the hood, the standard gasoline version uses a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing around 169 horsepower. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission that prioritizes smoothness and fuel efficiency. This setup is ideal for daily commuting and city driving, offering a calm and predictable driving experience with good fuel economy. The hybrid version is where the Corolla Cross really shines. It combines a petrol engine with electric motors to deliver stronger overall performance while significantly improving fuel efficiency. With nearly 200 horsepower available, the hybrid feels more responsive, especially during acceleration. One big advantage is that all-wheel drive comes standard on the hybrid models, giving you better traction in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions without sacrificing efficiency. On the road, the Corolla Cross feels balanced and easy to drive. The suspension absorbs bumps well, making long drives comfortable, while the steering is light enough for tight city streets and parking. It's not designed to be sporty, but it delivers a confident, relaxed ride that most drivers will appreciate. Safety is another strong point. Every 2026 Corolla Cross comes equipped with Toyota's latest safety technology suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and other driver assistance features designed to reduce stress and increase confidence behind the wheel. Of course, no car is perfect. If you're looking for aggressive performance or luxury brand interiors, this may not be your first choice. But what the Corolla Cross offers instead is reliability, efficiency, and a well-rounded package that fits seamlessly into everyday life. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is ideal for drivers who want the practicality of an SUV without the bulk, families who value safety and space, and anyone who trusts Toyota's long-term dependability. It's a vehicle built for real-world use, comfortable, efficient, and easy to live with. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the gas model or the hybrid? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.